Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is November 23rd. Yesterday on the 22nd, on Monday, these were the tickers that we found on Finviz. All at open took off: Apple, Ford, Lucid, Nvidia, Tesla. Those five were on our watch list. Gilead, Astro, and INQ. I don't play those as much, so I don't have any familiarity with it, but I know that Astra Space just did a launch that's like cheaper, faster, just everything better than SpaceX. So that's why that came up there. Gilead, I'm not sure why. INQ, I don't know either. But today's a new day. So if you caught us on our Discord, we called out Apple, Ford, Lucid, Nvidia, and Tesla on the watch list. All hit 5 for 5. So that was a good day for us yesterday. So first, let's just go take a look at the pre-market here. As you can see on Finviz, these are just some different tickers, most active, oversold. Nothing that we usually play is in here. I don't see anything in here. If you played Zoom earnings yesterday, you got completely wrecked. Unless you did puts, I guess. Some news today. Stock futures fall as tech-led drops extends, crude oil dips. There was a announcement that Biden was going to release 40 to 50 million barrels of reserved oil in hopes of lowering down the gas prices. So let's see once that news starts circling into mainstream if that helps out the market there. As everyone knows, Powell yesterday was elected to the chair position. So stocks moved up pretty nicely in the morning on that news, and then did a heavy backdrop, kind of retraced pretty heavily. If you see right here in pre-market, those tickers that we looked at yesterday, right here, they're all green in pre-market right now, so showing some good strength. Currently right now on Discord, we are in a Google swing that is looking decent pre-market, but had a nice jump to 29.50 after hours. So let's see if pre-market we can get up to there again. That'll be a level for us to break today intraday. Coming here to the pre-market heat map here, it's looking like tech is definitely red and leading the way for bringing down the S&P. Banks are, JP Morgan, Bank of America. We do have a Bank of America swing as well that's looking really good. Right now, finances seem to be decent. Let's say like a C plus, B minus average if you are on a grading scale. This definitely looks like an F. Let's see where we can find energy here. Energy is a sector that is all green here, guys. XMO, which is ExxonMobil. That is a great ticker for small accounts. Usually option contracts on those, you can get at least like a month out and get it under $1 for the most part, if not just barely over $1. So very good for small accounts. Other than that, the market's looking very not promising. Let's put it that way. If you are a dip buyer, then this is definitely, a great time for you to go ahead and buy the dip for any kind of long-term swings or anything like that. If you are a day trader, scalping is definitely going to be your best friend here. Both ways, scalping puts, scalping calls. So take a look at that. But that's what we're looking at today for pre-market right now. So we're going to keep an interest on energy stocks and the energy sector, since that is the only one that's basically all green with nothing red. It's basically showing the strength today in the S&P. So let's go over to our screen tab here and see if we could find something to play here. All right, so these are our tickers today to play. Apple, AMD, Chevron, INQ, Lucid, Microchip, Microsoft, Micron, NVIDIA, Pfizer, Roblox, Tesla, and Texas Instrument, okay? So we're gonna come here. Remember, for Chevron, we said energy, oil, things of that nature. So we're gonna take a look at Chevron here. Chevron has a nice looking chart here, holding the 20-day SMA here. We have an uptrend line here that we need to go ahead and break right now. That's playing as resistance at 117.55. So we're going to take a look at Chevron option chain, and maybe that might be a play for us. We'll call it out on our Discord, Rippy Global. So if you are not signed up for our Discord, Rippy Global, please do so. Link will go ahead and be in the bio of this video. As well as you can follow me on Instagram at the same name here as the YouTube, and find information there. But Rippy Global, you can find us on Instagram, Rippy Global, RIPPY GLOBAL, Rippy Global. All right, guys, so Chevron here, definitely going to be a look for us. Apple definitely had some great volume, great call flows coming in for this week and next week. A little bit of selling pressure yesterday coming up here, but that's to be given with such a run that we did, and we were hitting this uptrend line here. So let's just make sure that we can break the open of yesterday, and it seems like pre-market's doing a decent job of it right now. Buyers are trying to step in, but we could break and hold that. Maybe we might be able to see that trend line again. So Apple's definitely going to be a play for us, but this is what we're going to go ahead and start charting in our Discord of Rippy Global. These are the stocks that we're going to be looking at today. This is what came up on our Finviz. So we'll chart these. We'll go ahead and see, which one of these, we'll pick about 3 to 5 of these tickers that stand out to us that have great looking charts. We'll go ahead and make levels with our members here on the Discord, and then we'll go ahead and start putting in our orders into Active Trader and then executing the market when it opens. So you want to see how which plays that we took here and how they did, feel free to follow us on our Discord at Rippy Global, and see you guys in the profit and loss section.